Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Time for another budget recipe, and this time it's meatball subs. More on that right after this. Okay, one about Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're doing meatball subs. I know, a lot of people are going, well, that's easy. Well, stick around and watch how I do them. I don't know what to tell you. I like meatball subs. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I just got some store-brand meatballs, threw them in a pot of spaghetti sauce. They've been on there since, I think, 8 this morning. But you're going to need some butter. Now you want to set your toaster oven or your oven to broil. Get yourself some butter. Spread it on there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic on it. I like garlic. If you don't like garlic, well, don't add garlic. Now, I'm going to throw this under the broiler till it gets nice and toasted. Okay, I just got the rolls out of the oven. The one got a little too toasted, but, you know, that's all right. It'll be all right. Go ahead, give these a quick stir. Now, I ain't going to use all these meatballs, these subs, I know I'm not. And I don't like a lot of sauce in my meatball subs. So what I'll end up doing, probably making some spaghetti. Now, we got Parmesan and Romano cheese. A little bit of that on. Now, you can add more sauce to it. It's up to you. It's just personal taste. Some oregano. Put a little bit of that on. There we go. And some mozzarella cheese. And we're going to throw that back in the broiler. Well, I'm sorry, back in the toaster oven on the broil. That. Back under the broiler. Okay, there you go. 2 meatball subs. Now, you can toast them more or less. Don't add garlic, oregano, cheese, whatever. It's a very versatile thing to make. I just made it the way I want to make them. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, have some dinner. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.